Hi everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel Fitness Fit Computer Geek. In this video, I will show you unboxing of my graphic tablet. As you all know, I have my YouTube channel Fitness Fit Computer Geek. In this channel, I just in one of my playlists C programming lectures, I just taught C programming language. So I thought that it would be better to use this graphic tablet rather than mouse to write something on the whiteboard. So here we go. I just ordered today, and it's come with excellent package. You can see that very good packaging. You guys already have broken the seal. Let's see. That's the thing I like about Amazon. I actually ordered it from Amazon. So this is the case. So without wasting time, let me now open it. So here we go. Oh my god, you can see it, beautiful packaging. I like this one. So you can see the beautiful packaging there. Let me now show you guys what's inside this package. Okay, so this is the tablet. You can see beautifully wrapped around this bubble type plastic, which save it from anything, from any damage. You can see, and inside this there is one, I would say, the user manual. Yeah, I guess you can see it, guys. User manual. You can see this, how this actually work. Okay, so let me now put it. Let me see what inside is. There is one other thing inside this. So what is this? I don't know. I think this is the holding of the pen. Yeah, beautiful packaging. You see, guys. See it, guys. So now let me just see what inside this. So there is one cable, and the packaging is very nice. I liked it very much. And this is the cable, charging cable. You can see that it's not C type, it's A type. I guess, yeah, it's A type. You can see it, guys. And this is the charging plot. So a charger is there. Now let's just put these things where it is. It's what's inside the box. So let me just put it, and the mic holder and pen holder. Okay, guys, so let me now show you the structure of pen by opening it. Oh my god, it's my favorite part, unwrapping the beautiful. You can see that, beautiful. It's really beautiful. I liked it. I am so in love with the technology. Let me now open it. It's been sealed. You can see that I cannot open it, so I have to tear it off. Okay, so just do it carefully. Okay, now it's been collapsed. Now let me just open it. Okay, wow, this is the back structure of this board, and this is the front one. Wow, you can see that, very majestic. This is the working area. I guess I can write it here, and it will be shown in my computer. Okay, so this is the thing here, and it's both rechargeable. I guess the pin was for connecting it to computer too. Let me now connect it to computer and show you guys how it's going to work. Okay, so let me just close it up, close the box. It's really nice box. Thank you, Amazon, one more time. No damage, perfectly delivered. Okay, now just put it here. Now I will show you how connection with my computer. Okay, so welcome back. Now according to this manual, I will follow the process and show you guys how to install, how to make the connection possible to my PC. Okay, so let me now show you guys it's say the first step. I hope it is visible to you that first step is download drivers and installation. So first of all, we have to download the drivers from the website given in and install it. And according to Mac or Windows, there's the installation code. This is Windows installation, Mac installation. Okay, so I have my Windows with me. So now let's begin. So let me just open my Google Chrome now. So and search KSU, that is the company name, KSU.in/pages/graphic driver. Okay, so just open the page and let me just install the driver for Windows. Okay, you can see the download icon here. Just install it. It will take some time. I think it's 8 MB actually, so just wait for a moment. My internet speed is very fast, so it will download. Yeah, it's downloaded now. So now what's the second step? I'm just following the manual here. Close all painting of software, antivirus software. Okay, so close all your painting software or anything else that related to this pad, and antivirus software definitely. Double click on the run driver and click next step to run according to prompt. Okay, so just open it and just double click on the run driver here it is, and just click on yes, and then next, as you all know how to install it. So it required at least 22.4 MB space should be required. So do the next, create the desktop icon obviously, and then install. Okay, now here we go. Install. Yeah, now here you go. So here there is one icon that restart computer, must restart computer. Okay, so I'm just restarting now. Okay, we restart in few moments. So now my computer has been restarted. So now let me just open it, and after the reinstallation there is one, yeah, the desktop icon has been come. You can see the desktop icon there. Here we go. Let me just highlight it for you. So this is the desktop icon, and let me just now connect it. So after they have telling the next step is to connect the be sure to connect the graphic driver to come after the driver is installed. So after installation of driver, just click on it. So you can see that it has been connected. USB is showing, so it's working fine. So one more thing I have to do is, so I think just let me just open it and restart it. I don't know. Yeah, you can see it. The graphic tablet is connected. You can see this, and just click on it. Yeah, now the code is come out. Okay, now what I have to do, let me just go through the manual to show you guys. And yeah, there is one more thing that yes, telling us that there is one, I don't know you're saying it or not, there is one, yeah, LED. You can see the LED, it is blinking now, so it is connected perfectly. Okay, so now let me just how I have to work it. Okay, I have to select it. You can see all the settings are there. So let me just see the setting and how it's going to work now. Okay, according to manual, as you can see, I'm reading the manual and show you guys. I showed you earlier that what could be the problem that you face while installing this canvas graphic tablet, installing this graphic tablet. So one of the problem, maybe your Windows firewall may not allow to driver to be installed, which I've shown you to change the privacy using the system and privacy. And sometime there won't be one problem that you might seem that I face, that I too face it, this that the pen was not working. So I thought that they gave us defective pen, but that was not the case. We have to charge this pen there is charger here. It is, I can show you guys. The charger is inside this. Okay, hope it is visible to you. My camera is not able to zoom it. So this is the charging point. You can see it is some blurry visible, but this is the charging case. So I have to charge this point connecting this USB. Let me show you that. You can connect the USB like this and charge it. Okay, you can see that it is connected now, so you can charge it. Okay, so this is the functionality of this pen, which I forgot to mention earlier. Okay, so you can see that charging point. So now that you have fully charged your phone for after 2 to 3 hours, then when you place this the canvas, it will blink. Let me show you that. It will start blinking. Focus on this point. Okay, when I just place the pen nearby this tab, it's turned into green, and earlier it's just lighter green or lighter yellow type. Okay, you can see that. But as long as okay, just fade away, and when I bring it, it's lighted up. So this is the facility. So this is the working area, guys. And now let me show you how this tab will work. Okay, so this is the tab. I will write here, and the changes will be seen in the screen. Okay, so let me show you guys also that. So let me open my Microsoft whiteboard. Okay, here you go. So you can see now, if I start hovering about the pen, now it is in erasing mode, so it is just showing the here. So you can see that in this way you can write. So let me just choose a pen, so come near and just click this button, left button. Okay, this is act as left mouse key. So hover over the pen. You can see I'm hovering over, and just click on it, so it will be selected. Okay, now okay, bring near to it, then click on it, and it is selected now. So now you can see that it will start writing. Okay, let me show you that. Okay, AI. Okay, so now you can see that it's working perfectly fine. Let me show you the eraser also. You can erase it. So just hover over the pen and bring nearer and select the eraser, and just use this scratch in the board. Okay, so it will erase the part. And now again, if you want to select, just select a pen and start writing. You can see there I am selecting the pen here from here, and this is the eraser part. Okay, so now let me show you what we have learned till now. So first of all, I've shown you the installing. So we have seen the installing part, and then I show you guys about driver, how the drivers, which is the driver installation. The drivers, I shown you drivers installation and some of the setting, if some of the error you found during the setup. So error resolution I have shown you. So pardon my writing, it's not too good to. And third part I have shown you. Let me write it in different color now. And third part I shown you. Write it here. Third part was working of canvas. Okay, so working of canvas working. Okay, so these are things I had shown you in this video, guys. So hope you like this video. So if you like it, place the thumb up, and just visit my channel, visit this channel, which is let me write the channel name for you, so please visit this channel, Fitness Freak. Computer Geek, whole channel name. Okay, so that was all for today, guys. So thank you for watching. So see you soon in the next video. Bye, take care.